Hello students, this video lecture is for class 7th, subject science, lesson 3rd, which is fiber to fabric. In the last video we have completed question answers of the second lesson. In this video we are going to start our third chapter, which is related to fabric and fiber. So let's start with the introduction. First, fibers are basic components of fabric. So first let me tell you what is fabric. Fabric is a piece of cloth, and fiber are those small little threads that are joined together to make fabrics. So let's read forward. They are long thread-like structures which are obtained either from plants and animals or are chemically synthesized. So fiber are the long thread-like structures which are obtained either from plants, animals, or are made chemically. In the previous class, you have learned about plant fiber. In this chapter, you will know about animal fibers. Wool and silk are animal products, and these are also animal. These also get through animals. For example, wool is obtained from sheep and goats, and silk is obtained from the silkworm. In the next paragraph, wool has been spun and woven since Stone Age. The present day wool, however, comes from especially bred sheep that has good fine wool. The best wool comes from the merino sheep. These are white sheep that originally come from Spain. So best wool comes from the merino sheep, and in the wool has been spun since the Stone Age time. Now let's talk about silk. Silk is believed to have been discovered more than 4,000 years ago in China. Till about 300 AD, only the Chinese knew how to make silk, and they guarded their secret jealously. Then the Japanese discovered this secret, and eventually the Indians too learned how to make silk. In order to know how wool is processed and silk is extracted, let's read this chapter. First, wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of a sheep, goat, yak, and other such furry animals. Furry animals means those animals which have fur. It is long, thick kind of hair that can easily be turned into yarn. Clothing made from wool is warm, light, and comfortable. It has a resilient curl or crimp, which helps to maintain its shape. It is made up of protein. In fact, all animal fibers are made up of protein. Most wool comes from sheep, which is found in all temperate parts of the world. Merino sheep have the finest and largest amount of wool. A merino sheep yields up to 13.5 kg of wool at one shearing, which is enough to make about 7 overcoats. The finest fleece comes from lambs. Some wool comes from goats and camels as well. From goats we get Angora or mohair and Kashmiri wool. So what these two paragraphs tells us that wool is mainly obtained from sheep, but it is also obtained from goat, yak, camels, and other furry animals. And clothes made out of wool are warm, light, and comfortable. And the best wool, as already we have discussed here, that the best wool comes from the merino sheep, and in one shearing a merino sheep can give 13.5 kg of wool at one shearing, which is enough to make about 7 overcoats. So this is enough for today's video. This is the introduction of fiber to fabric chapter. In the next video we will be seeing the process of wool, or how to process wool to make the clothes. Thank you.